Changing your username on YouTube TV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit the YouTube TV website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Log into your account using your current username and password. Ensure you are accessing the account you want to modify. Step 3. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile picture or icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Select Edit Profile. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Edit Profile or Account Information. Click on it to proceed to the username change option. Step 5. Change username. Find the field for your username. Enter your desired new username and save the changes. Make sure to check for any restrictions or availability of the new username. After completing these steps, your YouTube TV username should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section or contacting support for assistance.